The Katikkiro of Buganda, Charles Peter Mayiga, speaks on why Kabaka of Buganda, Ronald Mutebi II, traveled to Germany. Hello, welcome, and thanks for taking your time joining us live on Projan Media TV. That brings the latest news and the latest updates in the country and across the world. Kindly do one thing, subscribe and turn on the notification button for all these updates. The Katikkiro of Buganda, Charles Peter Mayiga, has said the Kabaka Ronald Mwenda Mutebi II traveled to Germany to inspect the activities of his foundation, where he will also meet some of his subjects. Photos of the Kabaka have circulated on social media showing him in Berlin, Germany, where he was welcomed by some of his subjects. Some people claimed he had been rushed to Germany after being diagnosed with throat cancer. Speaking to the media, Mayiga asked the public to disregard all the misleading information making rounds on social media regarding the health of the Kabaka. He urged, saying the king traveled to Germany on 4th of August this month, and the Kabaka is in charge of the kingdom even if he is not with them. Therefore, he is here with the other officials, so his orders continue to be implemented. Mayiga explained that the Kabaka was supposed to have traveled in the middle of this year, but the people running his foundation in Europe told the kingdom that the key foundation directors would be available in the middle of July. These are very key partners, but then we had a coronation event at the end of July, so they advised them that the Kabaka would not travel until after the coronation anniversary. The Kabaka Foundation consists of different branches in foreign countries, including South Africa, USA, and among others, as Peter Mayiga noted. He also revealed that the Kabaka will also spare time and visit medical experts in Germany for medical checkups. And he added on saying that he has always been telling people that the issue regarding the health of the Kabaka are being treated by specialized doctors, and after getting this chance, his doctors referred them to some of the technical doctors in Germany, and they are optimistic that he will be fine. He also noted that the recent meeting between President Museveni and the Kabaka in Nakasero has nothing to do with his travel to Germany. Well, that is it for now from the Katikkiro Peter Mayiga of Buganda, and we'll keep on updating with more of this. Thanks for watching Projan Media TV, but kindly do one thing, subscribe and turn on the notification button. All these updates will come to you in time. Once again, thanks for watching Projan Media TV.